As a coach or consultant or trainer or therapist, you may be looking for some effective but simple ways to communicate with people using video. What do you say? What do I do? Is the number one request we get when we're working with clients here in the studio. Simple answer, why not talk about your customers' success? Tell us about your clients. Tell us about how you worked with them, the problems that they had, the way you helped them overcome it, and most importantly, how their lives are better now, right? Kind of a problem-solution path in the customer success story. Why I worked with somebody who had a problem just like this. Oh, says your viewer, that's a problem like I have. This person knows what to do. Then you talk about this problem that this person was suffering from, how you worked together, the changes that they made in their life, in their actions, in their thinking, in their being, and now what is their life like moving forward? How do they feel? What are they accomplishing? What's going on? How is everything better? People come to you to get better, so tell them real-life stories about real-life customers who've had real-life successes. They'll be able to put themselves right in those shoes because then they know they can experience those same kind of results. And if you're interested in taking your video marketing to the next level, being more comfortable, being more efficient, being more productive, making easy videos to connect with your clients, check out our 21-day video marketing jumpstart.